Hare Krishna. A very nice question is asked. A very nice technical question. Will ISKCON book distribution lead to Rāgānuga bhakti? These are some words which are very, very nice and attractive. Rāgānuga, Vidhi. So what are these two words basically? Vidhi bhakti means that devotional service based on rules and regulations given in the Shastra. And predominantly Archana. Archana Marg is what is focused in Vidhi. That is worship of the Lordships with rules and regulations. Second is Rāgānuga. So it is basically or primarily based on Shravan and Kirtan. And this Shravan and Kirtan culminates in spontaneous devotional service or natural attraction towards the Lordships called Raga Bhakti or Rāgānuga Bhakti. Now to understand book distribution falls in which category, which will lead to which bhakti, let's refer to the logo of Gaudiya Math designed by Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Very, very wonderful logo and a very technical logo. Here it is. So in this logo, the middle part, it says Om Nam. So Om here basically represents Bhagavan accompanied by the internal potency. And Nam represents the primary name of the absolute truth, and that is Sri Krishna. Now since Sri Krishna is Bhagavan himself, so there are 6 opulences which are mentioned around this Om Nam. So we see here Aishwarya, wealth, Virya, that is strength or power, Yasha, fame, Shri, beauty, Jnanam, knowledge, and Vairagya, renunciation. Now on the top of the logo we have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So right side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we see that there is a book called Pancharatra, so which talks about the deity worship. Then below that, on the throne, we have Lakshmi Narayan. And below that, there is a word called Vidhi. And below that, we have Archanam with a bell and ghee lamp. So here it's very clearly given worship of Lakshmi Narayan with prescribed rules and regulations is nothing but the Archana Marg or Vidhi Marg. And now on the left side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there's a book that is there called Bhagavatam. So Granth-raj Srimad Bhagavatam. And then we have the deities. And there's a tree. So below the tree, we have Radha and Krishna. Shri Shri Radha and Krishna. And below that, there is a word called Raga. Now, reading of Srimad Bhagavatam, speaking of Srimad Bhagavatam, worshipping the Lordship Shri Shri Radha and Krishna, that leads to Raga. That is attraction towards the Lordships. Spontaneous attraction to be more specific. Now here, one element which I would like to highlight on is the last part, Kirtanam, and there is Mridanga also with that. Now Kirtanam is understood, but why Mridanga? So chanting of the holy names accompanied by Mridanga is Kirtanam. Now okay, this is also understood, but now there is a structure, and that structure is nothing but printing press. Now this printing press that is there is a very important element in our discussion in this context. So this printing press, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur purposefully has put here because this printing press represents printing books glorifying Lord Sri Krishna. So even this is part of Kirtanam. And very beautifully in our Shastra it is described, Kirtanam is the chief sadhana for attaining Rāgānuga Bhakti, attaining that attraction towards the Lord, natural attraction towards the Lord. So here is the answer, which Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is giving. So book distribution that we are doing in ISKCON, if done properly with the mood, as given by Srila Prabhupada, it will lead to what? Spontaneous devotional attraction towards the Lord, that is Rāgānuga Bhakti. Therefore, this book distribution is not some laborious work that is there. It is not some mechanical work that is there. this book distribution, when we're distributing Srila Prabhupada's books, which are glorifying Lord Shri Krishna, is going to lead towards that ultimate thing, that is natural, spontaneous, devotional attraction towards the Lord. I hope this answers your question. Hare Krishna.